How to fix background app refresh grayed out on iPhone. So here is a complete and clear guide to fix this. So first of all you have to do is go back to the settings in order to fix this. Now once you are back to your settings, all you have to do is tap on the battery option available there. Once inside the battery, as you can see that we have toggled on the low power mode, simply toggle off that switch. Low power mode disables the background app refresh. Now go back to the general, then tap on the background app refresh and you will get to see that it is not grayed out anymore. Now you can switch it on. Now once it is on, go back. Now the other reason that it is grayed out and if it's still not fixed on your phone is scroll down and tap on the screen time, then scroll down again and tap on the content and privacy restrictions, toggle on that switch, then scroll down and tap on the background app activity and make sure that it is in allow option. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.